Okay, so let's talk about the respond, don't react mentality that we're supposed to have with narcissists. You know, that's when they're projecting, they're insulting, they are gaslighting, triangulating, blame shifting. They're doing all of these manipulative behaviors, and you just stay grounded in you. When you just respond from that grounded place. Now, for anyone that's already doing this, like honestly, high five, right? You're doing an amazing job. But for anyone that has learned this, consciously and logically gets it, but cannot put it into practice, I want to explain why. The whole reason why you're reacting in the first place is because there is unmetabolized material in your body, in your subconscious. And narcissists, they know how to find that unresolved trauma. And that's what they're poking on. And so when they are doing the things that cause you to react, when you do react, you're not reacting from a place where you're saying, I want to react. You're not even consciously choosing to react or to respond. What's happening is the parts of you that are subcortical, the parts of you that make up your survival, your subconscious, your implicit memory, they're choosing to react. And guess what? They do that without your permission. So until we can metabolize and process and release this unmetabolized material, we will always be susceptible to narcissists poking and trying to get a reaction from you. Real quick tip, slow things down. When you know that there's something that causes you to react almost uncontrollably, slow it down, not at the moment it's happening, at a moment when you have some time to yourself, and ask yourself, what is the story that's going on in my nervous system? What is the belief that is getting activated? Because until you uncover what that is, you won't be able to change it.